enti Yakubu ho abasem amosade achelpa aba wei enye Yakubu no ka so beja na yire no da bi
semeti na me de ma no twati ho a asana no boto na yemu a me Yakubu se me ye me prince aya wale ana makosa ya kwensia me sire me ntimi me sunema me kumumbu me siaso me ntimi haya anya me persona wale ya sasie abrante
ana wei so enye Yakubu manage da bi
Yakubu manage. Yes sir. You will feel it like you want to die but you will not die exactly. Yes sir.
Wei eye Yakubu member of parliament for Ahafano South East constituency. There was an incident bi aje so okachira kura ketua bi a won Ezra as a problem say onyini obeware no ama media answer pay as suffer a heavy backlash na no mu no and also de achelpa abre Ghana for no medwudwa mu amwate ase no akere wadwen e de ama me e wo comment section I Penyah block media mesra say ni di mu obe like video no da ma bro subscribe button and back the notification corner latest updates na be chere wadwen da ama me e wo comment section oba so a no je for say nya bi ahwe me kan phone na la money se na pe na de ama o USA o UK o pete o say ne ska e de coffee in fact ska no on pese obebre na o frefie busa akoduru oms enuru ya wan kasa twenara app no eto phone so register with Omaya Womu USA and UK first send ska ebra Ghana through mobile money for me promo code Penyah TV de gwa se ho na Penyah TV na first send ska na on be che $20 amazing omu transactions are very fast o send ya na edu fi obetima send so e de akọ any other Africa country enya Ghana nko a any other Africa country first send ska na yenko yenim member of parliament for Ahafano Southeast constituency ISM chere abeswa edujama ene inopoku krom ahweruwam asempa na ye those area no biam so number 1 biam so number 2 area ni nyina no all member of parliament honorable Yakubu Mohammed last week ni mo and as a week ya de kwa we ye ana omuko pie mu cause oye you know we nod na e depend for the continue higher ni nchia na ekoba we de nya continue na hwan but okọ no you know okosira fie na okọ ye no ene omu ekopie mu ewo Citadel school and Totofiwa school basic primary school ya motofia from nursery to primary that school and na omo erane
You know, he's a rural MP. You know that God is rural MP. And he is Ahafano Southeast. I'm in the city. Yes. So you're all from Tamale? Yeah, I was. Are you all Dagomers? Wow. Are you aware of your master? Moses are your masters. Moses are your masters. Can give you a very good history. You go out to Tamale, we ask your people. Don't confuse
it. Na hono no ana MP agana omu ehye a school for en cry obi e kana konsem how was start abrabo ene ba bia nyame modern bontino nyame mu ane ono so modern bonti oba be du na omu de hye enkoda en cry se de be ya omu school no mu no omu besua de na omu ta be mpanimpa daache na eduru ono abo sere no abo e kasa na o kasa no otu nani ene nkoto akura ketu obi so ge obi ene obi sa kwanse etese na kwanse eye ega say udin de say eno bo ni din eno no bo ka say se wunyini a me ware o
a slave as well. I schooled in Tamasco. I've stayed in Tamale for a while, and I'm an MP in Ashanti region. I just want to encourage you all. You know, I used to come here when I was schooling. I would see the MPs. I would be happy for them. I had a dream, and today, standing here as an MP is one of the dreams that we've worked for. Like he said, in fact, what's your name? Huh? Okay, you're very beautiful. When you grow up, I'll marry you. So, she's my wife. Huh? She, in future, she will also be an MP. and all of you as well will be somebody in future. I wish you the best and always continue to support your MP. They've said a lot about your MP. I always see him as one of the gifts that Ghana have.
In the future, I will get married to you. Says, oh, yeah, Mewaro, and I was oh, now is a casa where your casa and penny for name could the diagro, especially penny for the penny who are crabbios my media obeyed my water no friend as Siwan is a penny for them could I good ya almost a teddy. I just said to me, dear, normal, and yet normal because Papa Penyah could get a normal, but just as society no say, baby say we are some could do it. If we are saying you be BB I because there was even a video crowd my poster to your Telegram channel, Penyah blog media, your Telegram. I put that one of my so Papa Penyah pa why you bear my to a crack to a colony, ne bear my wound tini, why you are to a Korean my client after from one and Yasim Kuma. I crank over in your crank over 3-4 years. Papa Penyah, and you are saying, a video is surface on the internet, then I'm out for both. Honorable pa, share. And I can say, oh, do I know about 2 crabs so I'll go say, we not come what an array. There be one boy and Kiras, it's be done so there. Omo, Ebeke can be pa editor honorable man. In fact, he faced a heavy backlash on the internet.
This is an everyday joke that some Ghanaian men make towards little girls. Pedophiles parading themselves as what? Hey, this is appalling, disgusting, and I run out of description for this act. His name is Mohammed Yakubu, by the way, NDC MP for Ahafo Southeast in the Ashanti region. And in any serious jurisdiction, this man would have relinquished his position or something. But welcome to Ghana and Africa, where party sycophants have already jumped to his defense with the excuse they are giving that it's a joke. Yes, it's a joke. It's a joke. Only this time it was captured on camera. But does this make it even right? Children day in day out are being sexually molested, they are being harassed and all of that. Forget it. And some of these comments and acts are enablers of these, inhumane and hideous acts. And some of us don't see anything wrong with it. We don't. Let Parliament decide to trigger processes to summon him to the Privileges Committee, if you like, and you see the number of party full soldiers and party faithfuls and political fanatics who would come out to shamefully defend him. What's all these? The Speaker of Parliament must see this.
I say communication is not for everybody. Yeah, people don't actually believe it, but not everyone is qualified to be a communicator. NASI MP are saying, young people have come to you, children have come to you. Uber encourage you, you are talking about getting married. To sexualize such a young child. Like, it makes absolutely no sense. Say Yakubu Mohammed, our MP. If you voted for such a person, actually, go back for your vote. Now, as a matter of urgency, a Speaker of Parliament and the authorities that be Ministry of Children and Gender, you must move and make sure says our MP is removed from office. If he himself, even somebody he would resign to show remorse. And yes, about show remorse, you first resign. Resigning we are, then it shows that you have indeed regretted because you are not qualified to be called an honorable member of Parliament. When you're qualified, Senkola, children like this, you are already sexualizing them. And yeah, because already there's an existing video, says to be buyer. Now another NDC MP. He was trying to explain. I think commentaries. And then this one happens again. Tell it, this nigga must resign. Yakubu, you must resign.
Greetings, Right Honorable Alban Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament, Ghana. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now and not tomorrow, because the member of parliament of Ahafo Ano Southeast on the ticket of the NDC, Yakubu Mohammed, because he doesn't deserve the honorable title, on national television, out of the lot of primary school children, pinpointed a young girl and said his words, "You are beautiful. When you grow up, I will marry you. She is my wife." Mr. Speaker, this is not a joke. This is very disturbing. This is inappropriate. Coming from the mouth of a member of parliament, somebody who has been entrusted by a whole constituency in Ghana with public office. Mr. Speaker, Yakubu Mohammed, NDC MP for Ahafo Ano Southeast, he's a pedophile. Because if he's not out of the lot, he wouldn't have been able to pinpoint that little girl who doesn't even have breasts. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now. Nobody is above the law, including the lawmakers. If this statement had been said by an ordinary man, by now, the law would have taken it full course. Yakubu Mohammed should also face the full rigors of the law, including expulsion from Parliament, because he doesn't deserve to be a lawmaker. A lawmaker who cannot protect children, who is a threat to children, should not be a lawmaker. He should face expulsion from Parliament, and he should face jail time as well, because he's a threat to the kids in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, Parliament must act now. And also NDC, you guys should expel Yakubu Mohammed, because if you don't, he will disgrace your party. What he has said will cancel all the good you guys are doing.
I know na bohetu o si there bi. Asom kan ye de. Man kan ye. O si there bi there bi. Man kan ye kra. Then was say kan me kan no fro. Me fa kwan papa bi so e kan asem enti honorable so e de achel pa ba. Na eye enra 31st July 2026 no. Office of the Member of Parliament, Honorable Yakubu Mohammed, MP for Ahafo Ano Southeast constituency, yes, dated 31st July 2026. I say titled a unqualified apology to the general public. To way any semo achopemono. Okay. My attention has been drawn to a video circulating on social media concerning a comment I made during a visit to pupils of the Cell School in the Sagnarugu ekro esremfo de mukro kro ade asebidi ekro esremfo no de rejefo no mukro ni din e de asefo a mo be se ye beka bia na za de ebusia Sagnarugu constituency to Parliament House last week. Yes, na tension ya twe na adwene se video bi a trend there. Ni nyina fa comment bi a okomeki ya brom ko Citadel School na ewo Sagnarugu no omukwa sira amofra totofra no hodom no o make comment bi comment trend ama manfo atwe na adwen de siso. During the interaction, I described one of the basic school pupils as beautiful and stated that I would marry her when she grows up. So just video na trend no me call ye no enkura ne ba ko because no ho ofe na onyini a nesa ware no. I wish to clarify that the comment was made in the context of the long-standing playful cultural relationship between the Mosi and Dagomba ethnic groups. No, the children say no. Se mo maybe am south no name am wo mo ntiase a ye na e wa hande. Eye culture ade a di agro. Aye se oba Mosi fuoi ene Dagomba fuoi ma e wo mpa he obi tu asew. Ara se o Penyah ba mi so ofre ba obi ma asewa de a oba ba ya o sha chi da no he me fe sa mehu bia do kire se eye no bi na agura Dagomba fo no Mosi fon de omutadi as a Mosi addressing members of the Dagomba community. My statement arose from the friendly and playful exchanges that have historically characterize the relationship between our two groups. Or tell someone say, "Eye Mosi and Dagomba." It almost share the nice acquire say, "Eye agro mutedi into comment to pass any day." Now, almost historically, a converse with Edi agro in relationship way, or converse with the agro, and an order the chair akrano, but a near be show be 3 months, there be. The comment was not intended to cause harm, disrespect, embarrassment, or discomfort to the people, her family, and the school authorities, the Dagomba community, or the general public. Not just say, and some kind of yes, be na or kakasa be edi ahami akrano. I say what they best sell, just say that you obeso bu akran to boom there be on farm sa akran and na enye say be odi gu akra na animu ase community ni school nya bibia ntia da bi enye sa. However, I fully acknowledge that irrespective of my intention or the traditional context in which the statement was made, the comment was inappropriate because it involved a child. And when we say a kwanya Dagomba for the for first any day agro there, but ne ni say me cancer because nipa kwakwa na we involved e akura ketwa. And you know, say my can most at times I can find crank get to akura is no nyini ye because say be ogoka e kire bia abaye bia wasisu a nipa ba dwene say opa akura nawe e je dey say akura ketekete o ha kire dia na akura ketekete dia mi say ma otiri mu da e je no e agura mpanifo ne nkura taedi but otirem say akura ni ntino wanka nie mo fanche wanka nie. I sincerely regret my choice of words and render my unreserved and unqualified apology to the relevant authorities, the school authorities, the people, her parents and family, and the general public. I say, or the achaupa, Emma Opia school no ma eba media and no buafu say most honorable pa korana re any bibia de or say was mo fanche. On share that say tete akrana be randa chi debi and yes I would. As a member of parliament, I recognize the responsibility attached to my words and public conduct. I remain firmly committed to protecting and respecting the dignity, welfare and rights of every child. I once again offer my sincere and unqualified apology. Next, signed, Honorable Yakubu, Member of Parliament for Ahafo Southeast constituency. And I say N1 or day a chopper we eba ya just say opa Ghana food in a chow say more video ba ye no na mobofo amontin say ma say na modwin say are have me kind in there or say punish me ya twema so ne ade admin or so move action na eya agura empany for den Quran especially between Mosi and Dagomba for eya agura omu ete na me kura ma tibia obey de me wade no akure de no ya me fe ana asew ma tibia me hu se empany for ne akure di agoro be hu bia obi frɛ ma me asew osim na me yere owei be me yere me were say akura kitikiti gro hechidi ya agora empany for ne kulata di me hu bia enti no to me there normal but to other sides no Ghana for say there be ebedin say be anya akra say okopa akura na region na ne obepa chewa but answer enaso no ona bwangasa we na ye krata mu ono akasa ko pm TV station ba ko ne ho no or the achopa so ekobai.
Well, hold on. I'm sure we'll definitely give you some time to apologize, but I need to understand what really happened. You're saying that this issue happened a week ago.
Yeah, the day of the media review.
And with your explanation, with this explanation you're giving me, my understanding is that it was a joke.
Complete. It was a joke between Moses and Dagombes. Anybody who understands the tradition of Moses and Dagombes, wherever we meet, we joke. As we speak, even if I go to the Yanas Palace today, and I go there, any Dagomba man who sees me, the first thing they will see will create jokes. I can even go and pull his beard and all of that. Every Mosi man and a Dagomba man understands this. Aside everything, it's something we do.
But as a member of parliament, with your level of exposure and your level of understanding of how the system works now, why did it have to take you a week for a backlash should happen for you to perhaps reflect and see that maybe the statement you made may have been inappropriate, even if you thought it was a joke, because that's your intention?
Personally, aside that day, it's just this morning I am seeing the video, and like you said, because of that, I have issued an apology. I'm gonna send it because I'm just seeing it this morning, and I take full responsibility because it's a minor, and aside all the cultural jokes, my position as a member of parliament should supersede my heritage or my cultural decisions. It's a decision that I think is unfortunate, quite unfortunate. I would not even want to defend this. It's a lesson that I've learned, and going forward, I'm sure some of these things will be more careful because you grow up getting used to certain things, and you get to a position you need to understand that things have changed. So it's something that I feel it didn't happen well. I don't want to defend this.
You sound quite remorseful, but before you go, I want to find out if you've been able to, I don't know if there's a way you could reach the girl and her family to perhaps offer an apology. I mean, you have intentions of rendering an apology, but maybe you want to make it personal and get to the family of this girl in question. Do you have plans of doing that?
Yeah, so I've decided to call the MP because these are students from Sanarigo. I've decided to call the MP and probably get trips to the school, and possibly if I'll be able to reach the parents and probably do the right. Though,
okay.
Like I said, this is unfortunate. This is not something that I would even want to defend at any point. It's a minor. And it's quite unfortunate.
Ubito achire wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.